Today I have a little assistant. She will help me to talk about new IKEA furniture and decor items which were released lately, and we're gonna discuss what I think about it. Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Olga and this is the channel Home with Helga. If you're new here, I'm an interior designer. I live and work in Berlin, and here I'm talking about trends, furniture, different styles and etc. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's go. And the first element is a side table. I find it really nice and really cute. If you want to add some colors to your home, choose this table. It's also made out of steel, and I really like it. I really like this combination of red, brown and pink colors together, and it also has some hidden storage, which I say again and again, if you live in a small apartment, there is nothing better than a hidden storage in basically everything what you have. So please take a look at that thing. It can be a side table. You can also place it in a bedroom. It's a very nice item, and I would buy it myself. Yes. Okay, so the next one, this is a throw. I really like it. I really like this colorful palette. If you want some colors in your home, take a look at that collection, because this collection brings such a nice and beautiful colors. It can really blend into beige or gray interior, and you can really easily pop some nice colors in it. But I think for the spring, for the summer and for the autumn, I mean, after winter we're so tired of no colors, and this is right on time. This collection is super colorful, and take a look at it. It has nice items, and this row it's one of them. The next one, it's a pendant lamps from the same collection. This is controversial for me. I wouldn't buy them for myself. I'm not sure if I would buy them for my clients, but there is something in them. Maybe I would not use them, like 3 of them, as a pendant lamps. Maybe I would just buy the lampshade, because it's also available to buy as a lampshade, and use it as table lamp maybe. This way I think it won't be too much, but I like the color combination, and I mean, why not? If you like colors, why not? It's something new, it's something fresh, it's something interesting. And the next one, also from the same collection, is a vase plant pot set. I love it. Actually, it looks so fresh and it looks so nice, and again, the color combination is good. Okay, what I would buy is the carafe. This blue small carafe, it's really beautiful. You can use it as a vase, or you can put some water and drink this water or something what you want to drink out of that thing. It's really beautiful blue color. It's a glass, and it's just wow, it's really nice. Okay, now let's talk about something different. They did a new updates of Kallax systems, and I found them really nice. They added this really beautiful deep green shelves unit, and also I like that they place the shelves in a different order, and it looks so much better. It's same Kallax, but with another color and with another placement for the shelves. It definitely looks so much more expensive than it is, and I would definitely go for it. And you can also buy some legs, and it looks so much better. I mean, 10 out of 10, I would say. Also, IKEA presented the new bin system. It's not like a system, it's new bins for recycling. Yes, with this system you can actually create your own system. You can choose different sizes and different colors, so take a look at it if you're looking for some storage solutions. The next one is what I actually already used in my client's project. They presented a new bathroom furniture, which I really super love. The new furniture for sinks, the new furniture for mirrors and storage with the mirrors, and etc. It has this trendy beautiful colors, especially the dark wooden colors, which is like super hot trend right now, and I'm sure that this is super timeless trend as well. Oak color is also very good. It looks expensive, so I would really take a look at that collection. If I would do the renovation right now, I would definitely choose something from that collection, and you can also mix and match it. Okay, and the next nice things what IKEA actually added to their new collection, to the things which you can buy, it's new rugs, and the new rugs are really amazing, and I just can't believe, I mean, it's so cool. I mean, take a look at their rugs, and for example, this new grass, it has like a beige main color, and then it has some like really small floral print, like I don't know, it's very beautiful, it's very nostalgic, and I think that it's a perfect fit not only for the nursery but also maybe for the living room or for the kitchen. And if you're looking for a cohesive color palette, I think that this rug has a really nice color palette. Okay, and the next item is La Console table. I don't like the beige version of it because this beige IKEA, this like oak color IKEA, but it's cheap, it's like very IKEA style, but the black one is so much better. I think it's nice, but not my top 10, I would say. But it's nice if it's in your style, why not? But don't buy the beige one because it's cheap beige. Okay, the next one, they also updated the color system. They did a new TV unit, but I don't see why this TV unit cannot be used as a vertical low shelving, because I believe that this is like super nice, and this is again color system, so you can buy some other things for that, like insides, and you can modify it yourself. And I really like that they added some new shapes to that. And I believe that this is really good start, because they updated this, like they're the most famous probably furniture piece, and this is really good thing to do. So I recommend to buy it. Also, I found this super cute kitchen rug. It cost only $19.99, but it looks very beautiful. I like this like green and white pattern and colors, and it's really good. I like it. I would buy it myself. The pet ball. The pet ball is really cute. I like especially the light blue one. What to say? Just go buy it. Run for it. It's really good. It looks like it's made out of ceramic. I might be wrong, but it looks like it's more expensive than it is, and it's really cute. Also, pendant lamp shape. May they come back in this year, and I really love it. If you're looking for some timeless design, for some interesting shapes, this is the perfect thing to do, because this looks more like unique, I would say. And again, it's super cool. I would really buy it. I really like this veneer color, and it gives you really beautiful light. So take a look at this item. This SAS table is also very nice. You can actually convert it to the bigger one, which is super cool, and I really love the round tables, and the color is amazing, so why not? And it looks like it's a solid wood, so from the picture it's a really nice table for its price, and it's convertible to the bigger one. So I think 6 people minimum can fit, or maybe even more than 6 people can fit there. And finally, I'm gonna say my opinion about this Dinga chair. This is also the model from the past, in a new edition, of course. I really like this chair actually. I would buy the black one, because I feel like it's been too popular in TikTok, the green one, and I think that the black one are a little bit underrated. It can fit to almost any interior, and this is more like timeless design, because you won't get tired of just a black chair. So take a look at this chair, and we're almost there. And what I really like, what is super useful thing, it's a laptop stand. So it's like mini table for your laptop, so you can work from the sofa or from other places. You basically just like put your laptop on this table. You can move it under the sofa or under the chair, so it's really nice. And IKEA has a few types of these laptop tables, and these both I really like. And just take a look. This is what I would recommend to my clients. And okay, the last one, the last item which I would really like, and I would really buy it for myself, it's a hotel room rug. It's a really nice rug. It goes from the dark blue to the white color, so like gradient, and it's really pretty. I find it really pretty. I really like this gradient mood lately, and I feel that the gradients are also super popular right now for quite some time already. So normally they put gradients on the wall as wallpapers or paint, but this you can put the gradient on the floor. And I really like that IKEA follows these trends, and they making something for like everyone and different collection, which is really nice. So yes, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video. You can leave a comment what was your favorite thing, or what is your favorite thing in the new IKEA's collection. Maybe I will make a part 2 with your recommendation, etc. And have a great time, have a great day or evening or morning, what you have. And see you in the next episodes. Bye bye. Okay, are you ready? You just wanna sleep.